Hi guys, we're sitting in my car. Been out to the charity shops, and I also went into one of those second-hand phone shops and bought myself a Huawei something or other for £20. It doesn't have access to doesn't have phone access, data access. I only want it for Wi-Fi access, and I want to load onto it the APK file for the Otoscope that I bought in a charity shop. It's like a little microscope thing. So I've got it on charge at the moment. We're up to 43%, and I Bluetoothed across the APK file. First attempt failed, but that was my fault. Second attempt, we got it across there. So, live on camera, what happens if we press that button? Okay, we want to change the settings. Allow app installs. Okay. Do you want to install this app? It does not require any special access. Well, that's good, if you believe what it says. It's getting very busy in this street. There's a van sat next to me with his phone on loudspeak. You could probably hear him getting calls coming in. There's a van parked behind me. There's another one just pulling up. He's obviously going to go and chat to the guy who's behind him. I'm going to have to shut the window in a minute. It says app installed. Open. Allow. Begin. Okay. Well, we need to be at home now so we can connect it to the Wi-Fi. But it looks like we've installed it okay on this phone. So that's a step forward. We're home now, so we can try it out. Come on, fire up. Right. Oh, we need to turn the Wi-Fi on, don't we? So if we do that with it on, we should have Wi-Fi available. Phone is connected to the product. Or is it asking me to confirm that? Jump out to phone settings to connect. That's the one. It says it's connected. The connected. Begin. Well, there you go. We can actually see. Question is, can we actually record it? Let's have a look at something a bit close up. Which way do we want to turn that? The other way. Okay. What we want to do is see if we can actually record. So if I press that button, absolutely, oh, photo saved. We didn't want a photo. How about that button? Starting video, okay. Well, we're certainly seeing it. I'll get a bit of a circuit board that we can have a close-up of. Stop that. Video saved. Oh, I double-clicked it, didn't I? Press it again. Yeah, right. Right, here's something to look at. See if we can read the writing on it. Which way did I decide was best? Yeah, we can certainly read the writing. So we might have got ourselves a cheap wireless microscope. Oh, somebody's ringing the phone. Yeah, I think we might have got ourselves a cheap wireless microscope. Let's just record that. And then we'll play back the video later. There's another chip to look at. Oh. Shame there's no way of changing the brightness of the LEDs, because they are causing a problem because they're so bright. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. It is doing what I was hoping it would do. Although I do need to work out which way's up and which way's down. Yeah, it looks like if I have that light facing that way, then that's the right way for moving the camera around. I move up, we move up. Down, we move down. but the brightness is a problem. You just have to make sure you point it slightly off center. Yeah, I'm shaking around a bit there because I'm shaking around. You could probably make a little tripod for it to hold it steady. Yeah, really pleased.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.